Welcome. This is your space to pause, breathe, and reset your mind before your next revision session or exam. Whether you're re-preparing for the November GCSE Resit or just feeling the pressure build, this moment is for you. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can be sitting down, perhaps at your desk, or lying down, whichever feels right for you today. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze towards the floor. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Release any tension you might be holding in your jaw. Just let it all go. Now, let's bring our awareness to our breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. And then slowly, gently breathe out through your mouth, letting everything soften. Let's do that again. A deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Feel the rhythm of your own breathing, a steady anchor in this present moment. Notice how your thoughts begin to slow down. You are safe. You are capable. You are preparing with purpose. Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to picture a scene. Imagine yourself on the day of your exam. See yourself walking towards the exam room, but notice how you feel. You feel calm. You feel grounded. You're not rushing. Your steps are steady and confident. You've prepared for this. You've put in the work, and you're ready. You find your seat, get settled, and the exam paper is placed in front of you. You take another calming breath as you turn it over. You scan the first page, and a gentle smile comes to your face because you recognize the first question. You know how to approach it. You pick up your pen, take your time, and begin to write. You feel your mind working clearly, accessing the information you've stored. You are in control. You are focused. See yourself working through the paper, question by question, with a sense of calm competence. As you hold this image, let's reinforce this feeling with some positive affirmations. Silently repeat these to yourself or say them softly aloud. Let the words sink in. I am ready for this. I know more than I think I do. I can solve problems step by step. Every revision session has prepared me for this moment. Mistakes are just part of the learning process. I am building confidence every single day. I am not alone in this. I am supported by my teachers, family, and friends. Feel the truth in these words. They are your reality. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath one more time. Inhale that sense of calm and confidence. Exhale any lingering doubt or pressure. Let go of the noise, the expectations, the what-ifs. You are here, now. Focused, calm, clear. This feeling of peace is always available to you. When you feel ready, you can slowly begin to bring some gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this feeling of calm and focus with you into your revision, into your day, and into your exam. Remember, you're not just preparing for an exam, you're building a powerful, resilient mindset that will serve you for life. You've got this. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more content to support your journey. Go forward with confidence.